Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're setting up a smartboard feeder camera for the very first time, it's important to do everything in the right order before placing it outdoors. Many users rush to mount the feeder and add bird seed first, only to discover later that the camera isn't connected or the app can't detect it. A successful setup starts indoors, where you can complete the pairing, verify the camera, and make sure every feature is working before installation. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple setup process that helps you avoid common connection problems and gets your smartbird feeder camera ready for daily use. 1. Charge the camera fully and turn it on. 2. Install the companion app and connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. 3. Pair the camera by following the in-app setup instructions. 4. Mount the feeder where both birds and Wi-Fi coverage are ideal. 5. Add bird seat and adjust the camera angle. 6. Test the live view, recordings, and motion notifications.